Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a square graphic post on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and the social media post section you can find the square graphic post option. Here just select a template and click to the use this template button. New, if you want to add images to your project, click to the photos section at the lower left corner of the screen, and in the and here you can search different images, and the upload section you can upload from your device. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can edit, you can delete this text, and you can write your own text. And in the font section you can select different font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. In the object section you can find the different objects. For example, click to the ice cream, you can move and you can edit the size. In the animation section you can find different animation which you can add to your project. And in the music section you can add different music. For example, click to the summer, and if you want to add music, just click to the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.